morning. We're getting a lot of phone calls this morning about, not this morning. Yeah, woo, we're just answering phones left and right this morning. Woo! Okay, here we go. A water softener can catch small pieces, large. A water softener can catch some very small pieces, but
gotta hold on to you.
Ready? Good morning. We're going to talk a little bit about soft water versus hard water and the soap difference.